Hello everyone and a warm welcome. I am currently at the farm mechanization workshop in the Faculty of Sustainable Agriculture, University Malaysia Sabah. My name is NORAZLINDA binti RD with my matrix number BR241100098. Today, I am excited to present one of the key components of our practical learning here, especially on the internal combustion engine used in a grass cutter. These components include connecting rod, trimmer blade or brush cutter blade, screw, nuts, mounting brackets, piston, recoil starter, clutch drum, flywheel and magneto, crankcase housing, ignition coil, cylinder block, carburetor, muffler, air filter with its cover, throttle cable, engine cover, fuel pipe, black pad or shoulder pad frame, and full tank. These components have their own functions. The first one is full tank. It stores the fuel required for the engine to run. Second, black plate or shoulder pad frame. It provides structural support and protects the engine. Third, engine cover. It protects internal parts from dust and debris. Fourth, fuel pipe. It transports fuel from the tank to the carburetor. 5. Throttle cable. It controls the engine speed by regulating fuel and airflow. 6. Air filter with cover. Cleans incoming air to prevent dirt from entering the engine. Then we have muffler. It reduces noise from engine exhaust. Then carburetor. Mix air and fuel in the correct ratio for combustion. Then we have cylinder block. Houses the cylinder where combustion takes place. Other than that, ignition coil. It produces the high voltage needed to ignite the fuel air mixture. Other than that, we have crankcase housing. It encloses and supports the crankshaft and other moving parts. Others, we have flywheel and magneto. It maintains engine momentum and generates electricity for ignition. Next, clutch drum. It engages and disengages power from the engine to the cutting blade. Others, recoil starter, allows the engine to start manually by pulling a cord. Other than that, we have piston tool. It moves up and down in the cylinder to compress full air mixture and transfer energy. Others, screws, nuts, and mounting brackets. It secures components in blades and provides stability. Next, trimmer blade or brush cutter blade. It cuts grass, weeds, or brush. Lastly, connecting rod. It connects the piston to the crankshaft and transfer motion. Hey everyone, now I am going to combine all the components of the internal combustion engine used in a grass cutter into one complete system. Watch closely and pay attention as we go through each part and how they work together.